Put my blinker on. I'm just gonna have to go for it. Ooh, the clutch! Oh, blinker still on. Beautiful day. Like, really nice day. What's it like to drive? Door open? What's this guy doing? Even he doesn't know. What's it like to drive? Rattly? It's a lot of fun. Like, there's not a lot of power there. The 3 on the tree, the soul of the truck, it's there. It's that I think I can attitude. New vehicles are so good. Like, they're so good. My children, your children, I mean, do they know how good? Will they experience what it was like to drive a carbureted vehicle and appreciate it? I don't know. My hope is yes, but I don't know. This brings me back. It's nice. It's nice. Could you daily this? If you're a sadist, perhaps. It's a bit of a struggle. The gearing, right? It's just screaming on the way. 60 miles per hour. It's about the end of the world. I mean, you could do 70, 110-ish, but it feels, I don't know if you could sustain that. Going over a rough road here soon, so you're probably going to get shaky, you're going to hear some stuff. We'll see how the audio comes through. There's always another attempt to do it again, right? Voiceover. But, yeah. I get lots of comments. Nice truck. Hey, that's a nice truck. Young guy came up to me, said, I know you probably hear this all the time, but that's a really nice truck. I'm going to shut my mouth now. We're just going to let the audio go. This is an unusually rough road. I have a camera on the back. You'll probably see some footage, but I'm worried I'm going to lose it. Now there's a guy on my butt. Let's see if we can lose him. Hammer down. Woo. Yeah, that camera's not looking good back there. There's 55. There's 60. We're actually speeding on this road. Back to 55. Let's roll up the window. Any better? Yeah, this... I mean, the title of the video is going to be Finale. The goal is for me to put this up exactly 1 year to the day I took the first picture in the driveway of my truck. And yeah, 1 calendar year. And it's never done, but of course, I mean, there's going to be other things. I'm probably going to point out what some things I still want to change about the truck. But I think the original concept from a year ago was build it patina, build it to the essence of what the truck is, and just drive it. Yeah. And which is it. Like, this is it. It's on the road. It's running great. I'm just going to drive it. And that's all it has to be, really. Like, that's it. But I know there's people out there who will be missing the videos, missing the updates. And I'm sure they're still going to come. I intend for there to be a phase 2 of this truck, but I don't know what that is. And until I drive it and live with it, you know, maybe a year or two. Or, you know, I may just do it over the winter. So, another question comes around. Did I restore this truck for someone else's approval? Could be. Could be. The story I tell myself is no. I mean, I don't care. Why would you take on all this work? Right? If you go back through the videos, you'll see that negative one. All the voices inside my head, kind of, I prove you wrong, right? Kind of thing. I put it out on YouTube, right? I want your fawn over me, right? Your approval of it. I have other videos that are very negatively viewed upon, and I don't think it matters. I mean, part of me is I just want to judge you if you put up a negative comment, right? right, there is a little part of me that it's the titillation of the I'm better than you, right? Kind of attitude. And you know, is it a game for me? Am I toying with people? Right? I forget who put it out there. Maybe this will come to me. But it's something to do with another video channel, right? And we're not actors on YouTube. We're not acting, but we are role playing. And is that true reality, right? I'm here in front of you now, playing this role. Is my camera moving down? Ooh, man, it's hot in here with the window closed. Yeah. So is role playing a bit of an act? I don't know. It has to be in you, right? It has to be in me to want to do it. So I'm just talking in circles, but this is what this truck is doing to me. You know, it's my platform to say it. Oh, she's back on this. Quick shot of the inside of my fuel filter. Thought I would share. You know, we're sharing the successes and the failures, right? So yeah. So yeah, I was out driving around and truck started to die. Coughing, sputtering. You know, thankfully I was close to a town. Grabbed a damn kids. Grabbed a fuel filter, put it in. It you know, ran good. So you might want to carry a couple extra fuel filters and a couple of Saskatchewan socket sets with you, just to be able to change that filter, or a different kind of filtration. You know, I knew I never got all the rust out of my tank, but yeah, I always hope for the best. But I'll keep running, you know, keep changing fuel filters, keep running fuel through it, keep the tank full, and we'll see how it goes. But I mean, this is 53-year-old truck.